So we are stranded in Benin. Like it's almost 10 o'clock right now in the evening. We have no accommodation, no Wi-Fi, no one to call. Like, oh gosh. Fortunately, a family was very generous to take us in. But of course, it's a family, so you can't sleep.
You know something?
First off, we have no accommodation here. We didn't do couch surf actually. We wanted to do Airbnb, and the place we booked, we didn't like it at all. We didn't like the place at all. It doesn't feel. It was just not right. So we had to leave there. We still have our bags on us. We've been in Benin for like an hour now, just trying to get a place, and we don't even have airtime, we don't have internet, we don't have SIM cards, so we are at the MTN office right now trying to get a SIM card, and then we'll get moving. We need internet to be able to get what's it called, a place to sleep, like an Airbnb, but the MTN here network is not good at all. Even to register the SIM card is not working, so without the internet we can't move, and they don't have Wi-Fi at the MTN office too. We can't get access to Wi-Fi to be able to book a place. We are stranded. Yeah, and it's currently like it's almost 4 o'clock in the evening. If you don't get accommodation anytime from now, we'll probably sleep on the streets of Benin. So would you buy a time on her phone or okay with the MTN number? Okay, that's fine. Ebe ya play credit the work over phone dynamical call.
I'm so stranded right now. I don't know where I am. And where exactly do you live?
You're also trying to. You want to use her phone. Her own didn't work. The other lady's phone didn't work.
No, it's okay, but it's just slow.
It's slow. Wow. And what is the time now? Yo, 2 minutes to 4 o'clock.
Vicky. Okay, no. It's very far. That means let's meet up somewhere because we also don't want to stay where we are now. Okay. So do you know any restaurant that we can just mention to any motor rider that is close in put on, then we meet there? Like, is there KFC?
You want KFC at this point in your life, really?
Connecto. It's a restaurant.
Okay.
Connecto, Société Générale et après Cody Flynn. C'est près de.
Is it far from Société Générale?
So at least we got a place to go and eat, but still we need directions to that place. The ladies here don't seem to know there. This is so bad. You never travel without a plan. Seriously, don't travel without a plan. This is what happens. Let's go in. So hold on. What's direction to that place?
That's direction. We don't know that.
What do we tell the motor riders? Société Générale. Gaito. Tu Benin?
Yes. Société Générale Gaito.
Société Générale du Bénin à
Hey, she said Gaito.
God.
Hello. Is this Société Générale Gaito? And the ladies are saying Benin something. Is it Société Générale du Benin à Gaito? Is it the same? Is it the same? So wait, is it Société Générale du Benin à Gaito?
Gahito. Ah, Gahito.
So I should stop a minute and say Gahito. Then if you ask me where, then I'll say Société Générale.
Guys, I think I'm lost. So we're asked to come to Société Générale Gaito. we used motorbikes like separately, and I'm the only one here. I don't know if they got here before me and they've gone somewhere else, or I am here before them. I'm so confused. Like there's no one. They're not here. They're not here. Wow. I'm just hoping they come anytime soon. Money is in Ghana. Hey. He said there's money in Ghana. Wow.
Ghana, c'est pas ou bien dollar.
What does it mean?
Dollar, c'est dollar.
Ah, dollar. No, Omezana dollar.
Naira.
No, CD.
Ah, CD. Ah.
Yes, CD. Ghana CD.
Ghana CD. Ah, Ghana CD money. You know
big. Yeah, you know big. Ghana CD money no big.
Money ide.
Money day Ghana.
Il y
Oh.
a maison Ghana non?
Eh.
Maison ide Ghana.
What's maison?
Highest. This one étage.
High buildings.
Ghana.
Ah.
Il y a moto Ghana plein. This one gros.
Cars, yes. There's plenty cars in Ghana. Yeah. I found them.
Okay, sister.
There you are.
Okay, we have to go
I
back
thought I
to
was
get
lost.
into Ghana. I know, no.
Wait, where did you guys go?
We had to get, so we realized my phone didn't have the slot tray. So we had to go back to get it. And then we looked, we were not even there. You guys already go. They were like, oh no.
All riders speeding up so much. Missed the way.
He missed the way. Oh God.
You know the police. You can go.
So he has to go back. Wow.
I didn't bring the...
We just got rescued. Thank God.
Bye.
At least we can have somewhere to stay for some time before we find accommodation. Voodoo, like YouTube videos.
Oh, you just said Juju.
They understand me perfectly.
Don't care.
Ah, video, yeah, video like YouTube. Madam, you're right. No, they understand me better.
You put it in the video because you were there.
No problem. Benin, that good.
Because we arrived. Alcohol, see, these people are putting alcohol. We're gonna die.
Every time I come to Benin.
Yeah. This is the best place
No,
to
you see,
eat.
let me tell you something. You see the way travel is. So we've been to Togo, like, oh my God, Togo has been such an amazing thing.
Benin
You know,
is so good.
and you know when we were in Togo, our first time was not as nice as Benin.
That's so true,
Benin
yeah.
is like first night we were stranded, but then we're here, like it feels like we know.
Benin is
better.
like icing on the cake.
But it's true. Every country I think is getting better. So when I first went to Ghana, I was like, oh my God, I love Ghana. Ghana's amazing. And then Togo, oh my God, I love Togo. Now Benin, oh my God, I
But you see,
love
Ghana
Benin.
have like a
So
special.
I think chaque pays, quand je visitais, je pense que c'est
House training.
Tanzania, Kenya, Rwanda, Uganda, Zimbabwe. Donc après 4 jours, je
So
vais aller
me-
à Tanzanie. Well,
Quatrième jour tu vas aller à Tanzanie.
non, il y a 4 jours. Non, 4
Can you do?
So this is what they brag about where they've been to.
I want to my friend.
You understand, right? They brag about where they've been to. I have been to Ghana. I mean, I was born in Ghana, right? But they're bragging about where they've been to.
Parce que mon copain
Can you
misses
do?
me.
Oh, traveling.
So I'll go see him. Après, je vais retourner à Tanzanie.
You're saying that you have to go visit your boyfriend. Tell me I'm lying.
Yes,
Yeah, I understand French.
I'm not there. But he'll pay half. He doesn't know this yet, but when I arrive, I'll make
Russia,
him pay half.
Dubai,
You run blank.
Russia,
No, but I don't want them to do that.
Ghana,
Me, c'est Ghana, c'est Togo, Benin.
Rwanda,
Finish.
next from Benin,
No, that's
Rwanda.
Tanzania. is-
No, me.
That's all.
Rwanda, then Senegal,
I'm new, I'm fresh.
Uganda, yeah,
Zimbabwe, because my passport
then
is Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe. She from Zimbabwe, she's Zimbabwe. So yeah, 12.
And then we're gonna meet our other friends right now.
Yeah.
So other friends are already traveling around.
Touriste.
So we the
Nous sommes les.
hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am
YouTube,
in Togo
YouTube.
right now. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the
They do
subscribe button.
YouTube.
You understand?
YouTube.
So YouTube, Allah, Pépé sont
Ignore it.
oui, Pépé sont des Travis.
Basically,
Ghana,
ignore it.
Togo,
Parce que
Benin,
YouTube c'est beaucoup de
Québec.
vidéos, YouTube
Because,
c'est où, yeah, ouais, où trouver notre argent pour des vidéos.
YouTube.
Beaucoup de gens who see our videos,
So we
sometimes
use
they
money,
donate
travel,
so that we can
make
because they want to
videos,
see other countries.
Yeah.
Maybe they can't go, but they're like, okay, they can watch this.
See, you're talking too much, but he understands me perfectly.
Yeah, I'll go with him.
No, he doesn't understand.
You understand?
He understands me perfectly.
So yeah, our other friends are.
Okay, wait.
Where's Wadamaya?
He's in here.
Wadamaya is in Sierra Leone.